Indore, the commercial capital of Madhya Pradesh, with a magnificent history of Holkars, holds a number of historical monuments and amazing places behind. Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya Indore, marked as a state private university recognized by UGC, is a reputed institution of engineering learning since the last 2 decades. The university is also ranked among top 50 innovative universities as per ARIIA 2020. Today, we are going to visit the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering by this virtual tour. The department has several laboratories with well-furnished equipment and advanced tools of learning. Electrical Machine Laboratory includes various well-equipped electrical machines like synchronous motor, DC motor, slip ring and squirrel cage induction motors, transformers, AC and DC panels, boost buck converters and power electronic devices. The objective of Basic Electrical Lab is to impart knowledge on construction, principle of operation of different electrical measuring instruments. The Instrumentation Lab is well equipped with process trainer instruments, digital and analog trainer kits. This lab provides students the ability to test their model in a real-time environment. As all sophisticated systems require hardware as well as software for computing, thus a basic knowledge of programming languages such as C, C++ and Java are compulsory for the students. PLC and Process Automation Lab is fully based on automation implemented in advanced process control in process industries. This lab helps in developing a thorough knowledge of process-based systems, automation involved in process systems, knowledge of applied control strategies in process control industries. The Mechatronics Lab intends to develop the understanding of hydraulic system, pneumatic systems and robotic systems. The lab contains PLC hardware and software from Siemens, ABB, Allen Bradley, etc. The Electronic Circuit Lab is a series of learning stations consisting of breadboard, multimeter, etc., where students build various electronic circuits to study the theory behind the fundamental building block of electronic systems such as resistor, capacitor, inductor, diodes, and transistors. The Communication Lab holds experiment related to analog and digital communication. Students can analyze various modulation, anti-modulation techniques of analog and digital signal processing used in radio, television, mobile, and satellite communication systems. Signals are analyzed using CRO, DSO, and spectrum analyzer. Software Lab helps students in learning PCB designing with different tools like DipTrace, Autodesk Eagle, etc. The lab also holds simulation tools like MATLAB, Virtual Simulator, and Arduino. The VLSI Lab is equipped with tools for layout designing of integrated circuits. The lab is equipped with state-of-art FPGA and CPLD training kits from world's renowned companies like Altera and Xilinx to teach HDL. The Embedded System and IoT Lab has Arduino, Raspberry Pi, BeagleBone and different learning kits from Texas Instruments along with variety of sensors and actuators. The eYantra Robotics Lab is supported by eYantra program, IIT Bombay. This incubation center has advanced learning platforms like Firebird V, Spark V, drones, balancing bots, BIPT humanoid, and many more robotic models. Antenna and Microwave Lab is equipped with antennas like dipole, Yagi-Uda, slot, horn, parabolic, etc. for understanding the radiation patterns of different antennas for mobile, satellite, and microwave application for communication.
The heart of our departments are our teachers. They have always guided us, supported us, and always helped us in every possible perspectives.
Navyantram is an exclusive robotic event organized by the university for the students that have keen interest in designing robots. The events in Navyantram are Line Follower, Robo Soccer, Robo War, Robo Canoeing, Robo Race, Robo Cannon, Hurdle Race and Hoverbot, etc. Every year, Navyantram is hosted by the department and the teams around the nation participate. A tough fight among different competitors amuses the participants and a craze of learning, designing and winning is witnessed by the students. To support more participation, workshops for designing boards are also organized round the year. The department conducts various workshops to teach technologies of demand beyond curriculum and to meet the requirements of industries. The workshops include hand-on practice in the field of IoT, robotics, VLSI, power electronics, home automation, etc.
Apart from the academic excellence, STPB provides us chance to explore other platforms and showcase our abilities and skills.
The students have to prepare major and minor projects as a part of their curriculum. Project making requires the amalgamation of knowledge gained by the students from different courses learned earlier. The demonstration of the project also helps them learn different skills like leadership, meeting time deadlines, presentation, customer survey, etc. Student project developed includes smart refrigerator, Wi-Fi operated robot, smart railway track, IoT based home automation, ball sorter, etc. The students of department also participate in various project competitions at national levels. The awarded projects at eYantra competition by IIT Bombay includes smart parking, e-parking management, smart bus management, etc.
This ELSI lab is feels like a home far away from home. Other than learning process, I eat my lunch here. I talk about technical aspects with my friend here, and moreover, the most supporting faculties are also here always. Always means always. जब हम एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाने की बात करते हैं तो तब हम कुछ सीख रहे होते हैं. कई बार होता है कि हम कंपोनेंट्स को टेस्टिंग फेज में खराब कर देते हैं. तब हो सकता है कि एक नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट आता है कि नहीं अब बस बहुत पैसे वेस्ट कर लिए, बहुत ये कर लिए. तब ये ऐसे लैब ही हमारी एक सपोर्टिंग पुश था, एक बैकग्राउंड पुश था जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था. अगर वो नहीं होता तो आई वोंट बी स्टैंडिंग हियर.
The department constantly helps students to get placed in good companies. The students of the department are placed in various companies like eInfochips, VVDN, TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, Wipro, Capgemini, Infosys, Jaro Education, Byju's Learning App and many more at average package of 4 lakh per annum and highest package of 12 lakh per annum. Faculties and students of the department own a number of awards round the year via participating in various project competitions including robotics, industrial projects, etc. Students have also represented internationally via developing drones for real-world problems. Every year, faculties and students take part in NPTEL certification courses and complete with silver and elite categories. The courses offered by the university in the department includes
we get great opportunities to broaden our knowledge beyond the classroom sessions. SWV provides comfortable and safe hostels, hygienic canteens, banking and ATM facilities, well-equipped classrooms, and an overall nurturing environment.
The university encourages students for various sport activities at national levels. Industrial tours also helps students grooming and increase their knowledge on current technology of trends. Hope to see you soon.